Lotto results.
Magandang morning, Idol Bernard.
Yes.
Ito yung roda niti PCSO Lotto result tayo. Manipod iti 9 p.m. draw. Iti rabi Ultra Lotto 658. Winning combinations are number 32, number 45, number 5, number 40, number 22, and number 4. With a jackpot prize of 49,500,000. Daksang ka sa taon na ba para matitil Super Lotto 649. Winning combinations are number 39, number 42, number 23, and number 49, number 25, and number 31. With a jackpot prize of 15,840,000. Awan na nga ba? Para matitil Lotto 642, winning combinations are number 40, number 13, number 35, number 36, number 12, and number 14. With a jackpot prize of 8,602,455 and 80 centavos. Daksangga sa taon na nga ba? Para matitil PCSO STL. First draw, 𝐏𝐿𝐴 3718. Second draw, 2920. Ken, last draw, 3716. Kadwayo, di 99.5 IFM Lawag, shock ni Idol Shanti Papi, Tatak Armen.